Here I'm just burning up some of the different limbs and trimmings that I had clipped for when we downed these 3 trees about a month ago. So I just cleared this area right here so I could put my new wood burning supply on. So we're going to move that over here so that it's kind of tucked away right next to the trees. And I'm going to make a little canopy, some type of roof for it, and get that done. But so besides burning this and getting this cleaned up, I have that tree up there, which is a hickory, and it is going to be used for all my smoking for my smoker up there on the deck. So I'm going to clean off all the stuff that I really can't put in the wood burner without it just burn up immediately. I'm just going to bring it over here and burn it in with this pile, and then the rest of them chop it up into just little chips. First I'm just going to put it into maybe 18-inch lengths to fit here on the carrier, and then I guess as I need it I can chip it up, or at least I can get some kind of a schedule set up so I always have seasoned hickory available for smoking. But yep, got that. Then over here is one of the big oak trees that was cut down. I've got to finish cleaning that up, and there's all the cleanup I did from once it fell. I brought my Husqvarna out here and got this all just kind of prepped for what I want to do with it, whether it's a wood project or to just use in the wood burner stove. And then down here is our bigger oak that we also had cut and stump ground. So I've got decent amount of nice smooth, straight, thick oak. So I got to figure out what kind of projects I want to do with that, or try to sell it off, or what we're going to do. But anyway, I've got a lot of work to do this weekend, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, here we are Sunday evening. Here we got everything cleaned up, got it all chopped up. That little Husqvarna there really does wonders. So made an ease of getting this all cleaned up. So come over here to where I've got my stand for the wood burner and smoker. So this is all of that hickory right here. So there I've got that on those pavers. I've got at least 4 here. I may even rise that higher, but just doesn't have to necessarily be level. But anyway, so here we got all this to start getting seasoned. I think what's here on the ground, I think I'll go ahead and chop it up and put it in a separate pile for seasoning and have that ready to go for the smoker. But I think looks like I'm gonna have to build another one, because I've got this big oak here and all of its limbs and trimmings, and then that huge tree down there. I believe before they cut it down, I was looking at it was maybe 75 to 80 feet high oak tree. It was fairly large, so I got all that cut up too. So I'm gonna have plenty of wood burning fuel for some time. So yeah, I'm fun doing yard work. So here we are looking down at the she shed from our deck, and over there, the other side of those bushes is where we put the wood to stored. And then over here we have our river, and sun's getting ready to set. So we got about 10 minutes maybe. This is our view. Love it. I moved from Indiana to Georgia, and I don't regret one bit of it.